happen if you crushed some balloons with slime inside? Or drove over bath bombs and squeezed out toothpaste with the wheels of a car? Watch our new video to see us crushing all sorts of things with a car. Dolly is a born perfectionist. That's why she's so annoyed with the messy way her roommate, Redhead, lives her life. The room is covered in cups, cookies, and squishies, and there's even some slippery slime on the floor. But Redhead isn't bothered by the mess at all. She prefers to think of it as organized chaos, and she knows exactly where to find some tea and sweet snacks. That's it! Dolly can't live like this anymore. It's high time to collect all this trash and destroy it. Dolly cleaned out all the shelves and is preparing to take care of all this stuff. If Redhead wants to save any of her things, she'd better hurry. Dolly decides to destroy everything in one fell swoop. She'll put it on the ground and drive over it in her car. All food that Dolly is going to crush has expired and is not suitable for consumption. Dolly's mind is made up. Time to crush a package of chips. She shouldn't keep expired products at home. Juice boxes have come to terms with their fate. They'll also have to endure this crush test. Stay strong, minions! I wonder what's inside these stress balls. Oh, gotcha! It's slime and Orbeez. The truth revealed itself, as always. And watching the balls pop is so funny. Next up, anti-stress grapes. Well, actually, it was an anti-stress toy until it experienced a lot of stress on the road. How about these squishy muffins? They got so attached to the car that they rolled away with it on its tire. What would happen if we put water balloons filled with colorful water and glitter under the wheels of the car? There'll be a smack and a shiny wet puddle. Are you thirsty? Let's open a few cans of Pepsi underneath our car. This Pepsi has expired. Soft, squishy burgers and hot dogs managed to resist the pressure that the wheels put on them. But this beauty blender wasn't as lucky. It seems like this sweet cupcake-shaped soap is having a bad day. It looks kinda squashed. Science has proven that the easiest way to get toothpaste out of the tube is to just drive over it. Dolly put some de-stressing ice cream under the car. There's cornstarch inside these balloons. Whoops, sorry. Now it's outside of them. Goodbye, ice cream.